Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be decorating my sofa console in my family room. I am going to start off with a little dusting and vacuuming. You always have to start with a clean slate before you start decorating. And I'm going to be showing you guys two different looks. One is going to be kind of like a rustic farmhouse look, guess you can call it that, and the other look is going to be more of a glam look. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. I want to say welcome. So glad you decided to stop by and join me today in this decorating video for the fall. So now that we have finished with dusting and vacuuming, let's start off with the first fall look. This truck right here, guys, I got from QVC. I ordered it for Christmas, but I decided to use it for this fall decor and insert some of my little fall pumpkins. I feel like you can use this all year round. It came with these 3 bottle brush trees and a little Santa tag to put in the front. But as long as you don't put the Santa tag in the front, you can use it for Easter or Christmas or even for fall like I'm doing now. This is look number 1, guys. I know early in the video I kind of described it as a rustic farmhouse look, and it could be that, but now I'm feeling like I want to call this look harvest, my country harvest look, because that's the vibes I'm getting from this complete look here. I'm getting that harvest vibe, especially because of this little truck here, my little farmhouse truck with the little pumpkins on the back. It's just giving me all types of harvest vibes. And with the little pumpkins here on this bench that I got from the Dollar General, is so cute. The plaid pillow came from Dollar General also, and the other pillow came from Walmart. Yes, guys, I'm really feeling this look here. So this is the completed look for number 1, and I'm just giving you an overview, and then we're going to jump into look number 2. Right here, I'm showing you a picture that I actually created myself using a frame that I got from the thrift store, and then I just inserted one of those Dollar Tree little pics, and I'll insert the video to show you how I created the look. This is the simplest DIY, guys. All you are going to need is a frame, some type of insert. I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree pick, but you can use a photo, you can use leaves, anything that you can insert in between the glass and the back of the frame. You can create any type of scene that you want. The reason why I chose this pick is because I wanted to create a glittery fall scene, and I love the outside of this frame, so it went really well with the pick that I chose. And yeah, like I said, I initially bought this frame for Christmas because I was going to use some of the the Christmas bags. You can cut like a Christmas bag, you can cut that out and insert it in there if you want a certain Christmas scene. But like I said, I'm creating this look for fall, so I chose these picks. Right here, I'm just clipping the bottom of the pick so it will be able to fit directly inside of the frame. I later on had to actually clip the leaves from the stem of the pick so it could lay just the way I want it to inside of the frame, and I'll give you guys a clip of exactly how I did that. It should be coming up in the next clip. Because the frame was so old, I ended up having to glue down the base of the frame, but it came out really nice. This is the completed look, and I love how it came out. I did have to clip the leaves, as you've seen in the previous video, to adjust them inside of the frame. And this, as you see, the border of the frame is made of fabric, and that's what makes it so unique. And I love how it came out. Now let's get back into decorating look number 2. This is look number 2, guys, and I love how it came out. I inserted some of those glittery picks that I got from the Dollar Tree, and on the end there is a candle holder that I got from the thrift store, and I just spray painted it gold. I already had those candles. On the bottom, I had put that pillow that I had for a while in my DIY that I did for you guys, and then those array of pumpkins, glittery pumpkins, I just sat them at the other end. And yeah, I really like how this look came out. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Comment down below which was your favorite looks. Don't forget to like, comment, but most of all subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. Bye guys.